Guelph, Ontario is known for its agricultural and veterinary colleges. It's a beautiful city, rich in history, entertainment, and green space. It is here that we find a most interesting creature. The Integrative Biology undergraduate student. All Guelph undergraduates have a wide range of diversity, and so if you wish to identify them in the field, it can be a bit of a challenge. The IB undergraduate is often drawn to questions, particularly those of the biological persuasion. Even within biology, however, their interests are many. They are drawn to wildlife in all its forms, even those that are less favoured by other species. IB undergrads are occasionally accompanied by pipe cleaners, which they use to practice reading evolutionary trees. Species from other departments may be differentiated from IB by their unique equipment. This evidence-based approach to learning requires students to actively engage their brains while their bodies guide them through a lesson. It is called active learning. Several times a week, if not daily, IB undergrads make the migration from lecture to lab, generally moving in small herds. It's an important aspect of their development, which will give them skills needed to be successful in their later life. For many, this migration is a relaxed process. It's a chance to communicate with others of their species and plan for the next class. For others, it's an opportunity to feed. The undergrad need not go hungry. Guelph has an abundance of food options. There are also multiple watering holes offering the undergraduates preferred sources of sustenance, coffee and tea. The only worry is that the undergrad spends too much of their resources on the beverage and soon becomes addicted and lacking in other resources. It appears in some cases, however, that the caffeine may aid their ability to focus and learn, or at least that is what they believe. The Science Complex atrium is one of the preferred places to study and socialise. The competition for space can be fierce, particularly when there are a few spots to be found near electrical outlets. Normally, however, space is available, and there is much turnover coinciding with class schedules. Some use it as a space for cooperation in order to share resources. Others feel safe enough to sleep. In the next episode of Life History of the Undergrad, we will explore the learning environments of the IB student and how they acclimatise to the university lifestyle.